Lab-grown meat, dairy and sugar could be available for purchase in the UK within 2 years, as the Food Standards Agency, or FSA, explores ways to speed up the approval process. These products, cultivated from cells in controlled environments, have already been approved for human consumption in Singapore, the United States and Israel. However, they remain banned in Italy and several US states, including Alabama and Florida. Now, the concept of lab-grown meat, also known as cultured or cell-based meat, dates back to the early 2000s. The first lab-grown burger was unveiled in 2013 by Dutch scientist Mark Post, who developed it using stem cells extracted from cow muscle tissue. While the initial cost of production was prohibitively high, technological advancements have significantly reduced costs, bringing the idea of mass production closer to reality. Over the past decade, various companies worldwide have invested in refining lab-grown food technologies, leading to the first regulatory approvals in 2020. UK companies have been at the forefront of developing lab-grown foods, but believe they have been hampered by slow regulatory procedures. Dog food made from cultivated meat recently became available in the UK, marking a small step towards wider adoption. The FSA aims to assess the safety of at least 2 lab-grown foods within 2 years, working with industry experts and academic researchers. Professors assured that consumer safety remains a priority. They are working very closely with the companies involved and academic groups to design a regulatory structure that ensures the safety of these products remains as high as possible. However, critics argue that allowing industry players to influence the rules creates a conflict of interest. The companies involved in helping the FSA draw up these regulations are the ones most likely to benefit from deregulation. The UK government supports lab-grown food innovation, seeing it as a way to boost the economy and create jobs. Firms like Ivy Farm Technologies in Oxford are ready to launch products such as cultivated steaks, but face lengthy approval processes. Looking ahead, lab-grown foods have the potential to revolutionize the global food industry. Proponents argue that these products can help address food security, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and minimize the ethical concerns associated with traditional livestock farming. Cultivated meat production requires significantly less land and water compared to conventional animal farming and eliminates the need for antibiotics, which are commonly used in livestock production. Despite claims that lab-grown foods are environmentally friendly and healthier, some remain skeptical. These ultra-processed foods have not been in the human diet before, raising concerns over their long-term impact. Additionally, mass consumer acceptance remains uncertain, with many people hesitant to switch from conventional meat to lab-grown alternatives. As research and development continue, experts predict that lab-grown foods will become more affordable and widely available within the next decade. If regulatory hurdles are addressed efficiently, cultivated meat and dairy products could soon become a mainstream part of global diets. Whether consumers will fully embrace these innovations remains to be seen. But the future of food is undeniably heading in a new and technologically advanced direction.